Today I'm gonna make a tasty dishes. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by egg. We're gonna start seasoning. I'm gonna start with a little paprika, salt, and black pepper. And now we're gonna mix it together. We're gonna give everything a good mix, and we're gonna make sure each piece of chicken is fully coated with that sauce. Now I'm gonna drizzle some saffron powder on the chicken. We need to pop this in the fridge for at least 1 hour.
I'm gonna start to drizzle a little bit of olive oil.
And now we take out from the fridge and make sure that each piece of the chicken is fully coated with sauce and egg wash. So I'm gonna put it in this here and make sure every side of the chicken marinated with this sauce and mixed. It's fully coated with this sauce, and just leave a room for the potatoes. Now I'm gonna open some rooms for these potatoes, and you can, after all, you can add some salt and pepper and oregano to these potatoes. I'm just gonna put it all together here. And now I'm gonna place this garlic in the middle and center of the plate. A little salt and a little black pepper, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit oregano on the potatoes to cover it. And now I'm gonna drizzle a little bit olive oil on the garlic. It makes it smell so amazing. Now it's time to pop in this back into the oven and let it cook on medium-high heat for about 40 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. Alright, it's been 40 minutes. Our chicken should be done. Time to take this out. Look at how yummy those look. Those look perfect. It smells so good. Oh, so yummy.